Bringing together our most advanced safety technologies, the EX60 is Volvo's most forward-thinking car to date.
If a potential collision is detected, the EX60 will in real time decide the safest way to navigate through that situation. So let's say a pedestrian steps into the road unexpectedly. Automatic emergency steering will guide the car smoothly around the hazard. In other scenarios, the safest option might be to brake.
But sometimes, crashes are unavoidable. That's why we study how accidents happen.
Based on everything we learn from real-world accidents, we create our own crash tests to replicate the complex real-world scenarios, and that goes way above and beyond any standardized testing. This test recreates what happens if a car leaves the road and strikes a narrow, solid object like a tree.
Upon impact, the car body of the EX60 is designed to absorb crash energy, keep the safety cage as intact as possible, and help protect the occupant. In the run-off-road phase, the movements of the car will reposition the occupant, and in those cases, the occupant will be restrained in a good way, thanks to the safety belt. And now, with this car, we are introducing multi-adaptive safety belt. The multi-adaptive safety belt builds a real-time understanding of the occupant, such as the position, size, and shape, as well as the type of impact, to help provide the best protection for the situation.
The EX60 marks a shift in how we develop safety, allowing us to marry decades of knowledge with the very latest technology. It is the purest expression of the Volvo car's safety standard yet. The EX60 is a technological marvel, designed from the ground up to be electric.
It's the first production car built on our most advanced electric architecture to date. Their master plan that allows us to introduce the latest technologies into our cars and optimize every system for the future. Cell-to-body battery technology, our third-generation e-motor, our second-generation core compute, our 800-volt architecture, and our most responsive UX to date. The result is a fully electric Volvo car that goes further than any we've ever created. And we're really proud of the charging performance we've been able to achieve with the EX60, capable of adding up to 340 kilometers in just 10 minutes of charging. And thanks to over-the-air updates, the EX60 will keep improving long after it leaves us here in Sweden.
So it's here in our software center where we can, learn from our cars in order to make improvements that really matter. We can extend range and unlock faster charging and even add new safety features, all without a single visit to the workshop.
The EX60 uses AI to unlock human-like behavior, making it our most intelligent car to date.
So that intelligence in the EX60 is powered by an AI super brain. It works quietly in the background to enhance the driving experience. The core computer processes data from the car's advanced sensors in real time, delivering intelligent, intuitive responses that are designed to keep you safe and feel confident on the road.
From the way it moves to the way it feels. Technology in the Volvo EX60 is shaped by purpose. This is innovation that earns its place.